Annually, our school district operates off a budget of about $2 billion, and nearly half of that is dedicated to various capital projects to enhance the educational experience and environment for our students and staff. These projects are primarily funded through various sales tax initiatives, and we are so grateful for your continued support. The first source of our funding is our educational impact fees. These come from new home construction and are dedicated to building new schools. Thanks to these fees, we've been able to fund schools like Cross Prairie K-8, Knights Point K-8, Voyager K-8, Island Village Elementary, Neo City Academy, and the brand new high school we are building off of Nova Road, all of which are essential to keeping up with our growing community. Next, we have the half-penny sales tax. This funds all of our comprehensive renovations to ensure our existing schools remain safe and innovative places to learn. This tax is currently funding the renovations to Osceola County School for the Arts and Reedy Creek Elementary School. Lastly, we share the quarter-penny sales tax with the county. This supports ancillary facilities, such as our new and improved East and West transportation depots, as well as athletic improvements. These projects are all possible because of you. So thank you for investing in our students and their future.